In this video, you'll learn how to unsend messages on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. So to unsend messages on Instagram, if you go to the Instagram app and you hold your finger on the message you want to unsend, it'll say delete for you, but you'll want to unsend it for both parties. So this cannot be done inside of the Instagram app, but what you can do is go off the Instagram app and then open up your browser and go to instagram.com on there. Then once you're in here, go to the messages in the bottom, click on the little paper plane, then select the conversation you want to unsend messages of, so right here. Then once you click on the message, there will appear 3 dots next to it, next to the little arrow. Click on the 3 little dots. And right here you get the option to unsend the actual message, so we'll click on it. And here it'll say, this will remove the message for everyone, but people may have seen it already. But if you unsend it and people have not seen it already, it will be unsent for both parties either way. So click on it. And right now we've unsent an Instagram message. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.